Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. We wish you all a very happy Pongal. Today, let's see a traditional Telangana snack recipe, Sakinalu, made with freshly ground rice flour and white sesame seeds. The tricky part is to prepare the shape of the Sakinalu by twisting the dough with fingers. But if you nail it, then Sakinalu will become your all-time favorite snack. Let's see how to prepare them. For this recipe, take old rice. Here I am preparing in small quantity, so I am taking half kg of rice. Wash with water couple of times and soak it for at least 1 hour. Drain the water using a colander or a strainer. Discard all the leftover water and dry on a clean cloth. Dry indoor itself. Spread the rice evenly on the cloth as shown in the video for quick and less drying time. When you feel rice is not wet and sticking to the hands, then take this in a mixer jar and grind to a fine powder. Sift the flour and remove the coarse rice and grind again to fine flour. This is half kg of rice flour. To this add 2 teaspoons of ajwain, 3 teaspoons of white sesame seeds, salt to taste. Add water little by little and make a soft dough. Do not add excess water and make loose consistency in the beginning itself. You can see in the video, the dough should be just soft. Take little dough and keep it aside in a separate bowl. Close with a lid so that it doesn't dry up. Pinch small dough. Make human shape. Place 5 tikas with sindoor. This is Gauramma. This is our tradition to prepare Gauramma before starting the process. You can skip this step if you wish to. Next is the challenging part, which is shaping the Sakinalu. Take dough in one bowl, water in one bowl. Apply some water to hand and take lemon-sized dough in hand and start twisting the dough between fingers and start making Sakinalu in 2 to 3 rows. If the dough is not sufficient, take some more dough and start from where you have stopped. This comes only with practice, so don't worry if you fail to make round concentric shape. Prepare all the Sakinalu and allow them to dry. When touched with fingers, it shouldn't be wet. Then remove using a plate or a flat spatula. You can see the process in the video. Now heat oil for deep fry and slowly drop the Sakinalu in hot oil. Oil should be very hot and fry on high flame. I am using a wooden skewer to turn the Sakinalu. Flip the Sakinalu and cook on both the sides. Fry the Sakinalu in oil until they turn golden brown in color. Now remove this Sakinalu onto a separate plate. Let's prepare simple chutney for this Sakinalu. Take 1 chopped onion in a blender. Add salt to taste, chili powder. Close the lid and blend coarsely. Now take this in a bowl and add little oil. Now it's ready to serve. with our Sakinalu. Keep the Sakinalu aside until it completely cool down. Serve this Sakinalu with hot cup of chai. I can eat them any time of the day. It is traditional in Telangana to prepare Sakinalu during Sankranthi and weddings as sare, for which Sakinam is made bigger in size. There are other variations for the Sakinalu. You can prepare them with chili powder, chili paste. Sakinalu tastes more delicious with this spicy chutney. Do try this Telangana special Sakinalu for this Pongal and enjoy with your loved ones. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking, Zindagi!